guys, my name is JoFX, and in this video I want to show you how to trade price action the easiest way, right, without stressing yourself at all. So first of all, let's go to Eurocard. This is the chart I've opened, and we'll have to go to let's do a normal basic analysis on a pair. So on a normal, I go to 4 hour to trade, or mostly 6 hour to trade. So I go to the 6 hour time frame, look at possible scenarios here, right? Sometimes I try to bring all the possibilities out before I go into a trade. So this is what we call, so this is liquidity grab all over the trend line. So mostly people would want to sell when it gets here, but probably goes to go take them out their stop losses and then came a little bit down. So with something like this, what do we expect? If you go to 4 hour time frame, which most people trade, price action is supposed to be rally base, rally base, rally, a little consolidation, and it went up, and now a down. So from here, our price action normally tells us to pick our entry from here, right, to the upside for it to go and create a higher high. As I was saying, this was a liquidity grab. So let me just mark it down there. Okay, so here, right, let me just name it. Oh, my bad. Grab, right. So that is for here. So mostly price is supposed to return from here to the upside, right? And I'm not saying it's wrong. It is not wrong. It is very possible price does that, right? But so what I do is, with this strategy, you're just supposed to just draw a box as your POI. So let me just say point of interest, right? This is my point of interest, right? Something like this, I wouldn't trade. I'll go to a 2 hour time frame. Look at what is happening, right? Let's go to 1 hour. See what's happening, right? So you see, price came to test it, went a little bit up, broke the structure, minor structure from here, created a high. So from here, it's supposed to create a high, but then let's see what happens. So let's click on forward. Okay, so with this, people are convinced it will be going to the upside, right? But then I wouldn't enter into any trade yet, so I wait for a 4 hour candle close, right? So this is a left wick, so I wouldn't enter into any trade. Price is still doing this thing, right? So now I'm looking at this point. I'll wait for candle to close beneath this candle, and before I'll start going for sells. You understand? So if price hasn't broken this zone, I'm not selling, right? And if price hasn't broken this upper zone, because price created this first week and second week, right? So if price hasn't created a candle that will, a full candle without it being a wick over here, I'm not. So let's assume that price is able to come up like this without a wick. I'll be buying straight, and my stop loss probably will be beneath it. And as price hasn't done that, I wouldn't be entering in any trade yet. So let's say this. So from here, price has already violated this. It's not supposed to come this down before it moves to the upside. That is totally wrong. So something like this, I'll wait for a retracement. So I'll go into it an hour time frame, and let's see. So that retracement, that's the retracement I'm looking for. So something like this, we can enter a sell. So this is sell from here, right? I normally don't take huge stop loss, 50 pips, and you might be asking, where are we going to target, right? Something like this. We look for the next zone where price might be able to hit, which will be here, right? That is 126, right? So price, so let's come again. Price was able to create a low, went up to the side, came down the same place, gave a little bit down, rally to the upside, and now to the down and to the upside. So this is a minor structure, but we'll have to consider the whole thing. Something like this, I wouldn't put my stop loss, my take profit there. I'll bring it closer to this side, which will give me 1 to 3. So let's see what happens when I do this, right? And this is actually a trade I took myself. Well, let's see. So you see, price is actually going straight to the direction I intended it to be, and it was moving so rapid. So first of all, it has taken your take profits, wait for a retracement probably to this end. So now you can see price has created a leg, went for a retracement and created a leg, breaking this zone, came to tip this zone at the end. So next one is supposed to break this zone, right? So now the next target is supposed to be somewhere here. That is my next target, right?